Hi guys, it's Victoria from Customised Being Things, and today I'm going to show you a unique pair of bridal shoes that I was asked to customise. The shoes were sent in to me by my customer. They came to me a burgundy suede, and the theme was pheasants, and this is what I've come up with. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so on this side of the shoe we have a male pheasant. See some of the detail there. There's several different green shades, and there's quite a bit of detailing on the feathers and down the tail. Also, the bride is actually having wildflowers in her bouquet, so I wanted to incorporate this in the design, and I've created what from a distance looks like lots and lots of flowers, but when you get up really close, what it is just different colours blended together with what looks like grass in the background. And I've used, let me see if I can remember, I've used red, pink, purple and gold, I think, for the and blue for the flower colours. Let's move it around the front so you can see how they change. It looks so pretty. And to carry it on, I've also glittered the grass underneath, and it goes all the way round like so. It almost looks like the pheasant standing at the top of a cliff there. And if we take the other shoe, you have the matching female pheasant. So let's take a closer look at her. And there we go, you can see there's actually brown, grey and white glitter used on the feathers. There's actually brown, white and silver, dark silver, grey glitter used to look like feathers and her tail. And once again we've got the same effect to make grass and flowers, so when you look at it from a distance it looks like a summer meadow. And the beautiful bows were made by Una's Boutique, custom made for this particular pair, and I think they really help to tie everything in. And once again the grass is underneath. So this is my latest bridal pair. I'm really proud of them. You may have noticed I popped a tester post up for a butterfly garden pair of shoes, or two pairs actually, heels and wedges, and they're going to be similar to these in the fact that I'm going to do the same flower effect, but there's going to be a bit of a twist, and I'm collaborating on those with Mad March Moon Designs, which is an amazing page. I recommend you go and check them out on Facebook. And yeah, I hope you like these, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.